Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. On this one I'm gonna show you something that I didn't actually plan to install and to buy, but if you have watched the last video, I installed the Sumo Spring on the rear of the van, and I've been so happy on how it drives now, and how much it's lifted up compared to before, that I actually ordered the Sumo Spring for the front of the van, which are those. So basically in front of the van there is the shock absorber and the spring, like in a normal car, in one unit. So this one goes in the spring, so you're gonna slide in between two rings. I don't know how you call it, but so basically like this, just slide it in and it will do the same job, helps the spring sustaining more weight. So because now the back it's a little bit higher of the front, I hope with those I'm gonna be flat and ready for the rest of the weight that I know I'm gonna have by the end of the build, because there is still the kitchen, the benches and some other stuff. I need to cover the walls, so still a little bit of weight to add. So yeah, let me move the van on the flat parking lot and try to do this. In theory it shouldn't be so difficult. You don't need any tools to install those, and yeah, so let's go. So there is, as you can see here, there is like two cavities, but one it's deeper, this one, than the other one. So the deeper one should stay on the bottom, and I should be able to slide it in without removing the wheel. Let me try. Okay, so the instruction says to clean the spring and apply some soapy water to help the Sumo Spring to slide in. But I just discovered that my shock absorber are leaking oil, so I think in the near future I need to change them. So there is not much space behind. I don't know how to get there. Okay, something like this. Okay, the first. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so the bottom part is on the spring. Now I need to slide in the upper part. Quite easy actually. Okay, well, okay, so basically I just, as you can see, it's in on the bottom, on the top. Let me try to slowly lower the van and see what's going to happen. Looks good to me. Well, I think now I'm higher in the front, which is good. Okay, same thing, a little bit of cleaning. Okay, this one is not leaking oil, so I just have the right side leaking some oil. Okay, deeper groove on the bottom. Let's do the same as before. I don't remember. Oh, like this. This, like this. I can do it without watching. I can do it without watching, just by feeling, you know. It's so simple. Done. If I knew it was so simple, I would just make one order, you know. Like, take this beast down. Here we go. Okay. So, I think that I'm pretty much level. It's perfectly level, in my opinion. Nice. Let's go back to my park. Okay, so it's been way easier than expected. I really thought that I need to, you know, squish and move around and take off the wheel. Instead, it went in like a glove. Really happy about that. I'm gonna try to drive around tomorrow and see how it goes, but I'm really confident that it's gonna be awesome. Again, thank you for watching. This one, it's very short video compared to the last one. I know, but this one, I mean, it took me like, I think it took me like less than 1 hour to do this job by even preparing the tools. So something that can do anyone, really. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye. Come on. Always when I start recording, show you another one. The fact on the rear axle. Oop. We have like the between the so I don't know, when there is like 4 days of work from sunrise to sunset, and you need to condense everything in one video. Sometimes there's no shortcut, you know.